I'm going to talk about how to save a document both in Word Desktop and in Word Office 365. In Office Desktop, you will just go to File, and you'll go to Save or Save As. I always start with Save As, and that gives you all the options. You can click on Browse and decide where you want to put your document. If you want to put it in Documents, if you wanted to put it on your desktop, and then you'll name it, and I'm going to call it Sample Document, and save. You could also save it to your OneDrive the same way. So you click on Save, type Sample Document, and save it to your OneDrive. That is one of the options those are the options for saving Office 365 Word. If you're already in Office 365, it automatically saves. But I want to show you a couple of other things. The way you name your document on the desktop version by saving. The way you name your document in Office 365 is by clicking right here. And I'm going to type Sample Document. It's already saved, but now it has a name. Now, how do you find it? You can either go to Clever and click on OneDrive, or you can go to your My MNPS folder and click on Office 365 Webmail, click on your apps, and click on OneDrive. Once you've saved something in Office 365, it will show up in your OneDrive, and that's how you'll have access to it again.